Welcome to this tutorial on how to use EveryDollar Budgeting, a simple and effective way to manage your finances. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you create a personalized budget and track your expenses. To get started, go to the EveryDollar website and sign up for an account. Once you have created your account, you will be prompted to set up your budget. Start by entering your income, including all sources of income such as your salary, investments, and any side hustles. Next, you will be asked to categorize your expenses into different groups such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar uses a zero-based budgeting approach, which means that every dollar of your income is assigned to a specific category. This approach helps you prioritize your spending and make sure that you are not overspending in any area. Assign amounts to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. For example, if you want to save for a down payment on a house, you can allocate a certain amount each month to a savings category. You can also set up funds for irregular expenses, such as car maintenance or property taxes, by allocating a small amount each month to a specific category. Once you have set up your budget, you can start tracking your expenses. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to import your transactions and stay on top of your spending. You can also manually add transactions if you prefer. As you track your expenses, you will be able to see how much you have spent in each category and make adjustments as needed. You can also set up alerts to notify you when you are getting close to exceeding your budget in a particular category. To get the most out of EveryDollar, make sure to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the tool to set financial goals, such as paying off debt or building up your savings. By following these steps and using EveryDollar consistently, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial peace of mind.